Hello. In this short guide, we'll show you how to use your Notion page, where all communication, content planning, and reviews will take place. Step 1. Register on Notion using your email address. Once you've registered, please share that email with us. We'll use it to give you access to your personal Notion page. Step 2. We'll send you an invitation link in the way that's most convenient for you. Simply open the link and log in to Notion. Step 3. This is where all your content lives. Your posts, visuals, performance stats, and everything related to our collaboration. Step 4. Scroll further down to the social media schedule. Click on any post that is still marked for review. You can open it, check the text and visuals, and leave your comments or suggested changes directly on the page. Step 5. You can continue the entire conversation right there in Notion. Once your feedback is applied, you can simply confirm that the post is ready to be published or share any additional notes or wishes. No extra emails. No separate messages in other apps. Just one shared Notion page for everything. That's it. Simple, clear, and always in one place.